So let me introduce you to my little patient here. This is my dog, Omi. I am not a vet whatsoever, but he was recently diagnosed with inflammation of the pancreas. Poor little guy. He had a little bit of pain, and he's not taking to water. We're actually feeding him more of a bland diet, which has a lot of water in it, but he's still not interested in water. So I'm going to show you a little trick here on how I got him to drink. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and think about sharing this video if you know somebody with an older dog who might not be interested in drinking a lot of water. So I'm taking some food, and our vet basically recommended a bland diet of low-fat ground turkey or beef with rice. And so what I'm going to do here is take a little bit of the most desirable food, which happens to be the meat. And I'm not doing the big pieces because my dog did not like fishing out the big pieces. So the smallest pieces possible, so he has to drink it rather than think that he has to eat it. And so we're going to bring that over like this. And I'm not putting a lot of water in, just about 1/4 of an inch. And I'll entice him over with this so he realizes what's going on. And check this out. He's going to fish around a little bit, sniff around, figure out, okay, what's happening. He's a little confused. He's going to try to eat it. He's not probably going to lap the water yet, but as soon as he kind of figures out, hey, there's yummy stuff in here. Here we go. Wait for it. Let me leave a little bit. Maybe he doesn't need me standing there watching him. Let's sneak up, see what's going on. Ooh, yeah, look at that. So check this out. He's lapping up the water. He's liking it, and he is getting hydrated. This is great news. Of course, it may or may not work with your dog. Talk to your vet first, of course, but this is how I tricked my dog into drinking water.